Great check once again. I am here right now in Moscow. I am in a very three-star hotel, Cosmos at Moscow. So right now I am taking you for a tour of the restaurant where you will find the breakfast is being served today. And today is 4th October 2021. First Hotel Moscow, and with me is my cameraman Vijay Madhav Prabhu, and we are going to show you all what is happening out in our restaurant. This is the breakfast time. Let us go inside. Please follow me. Here is the chair welcoming you, and this is the very good entry point with all the decorations and old type of roads. So you will enjoy it. Here is our host. They both are very happily, cheerfully welcoming us, and they want to. They are here to see the passes what they are holding. Without pass, you cannot enter the hall. So you should have the pass, which has been issued by the hotel authorities. What do you can say about something in English? Yes, yes. Okay. Say a little in Russian. Say something in Russian. Здравствуйте. This is the hall, basically. People are enjoying their breakfast and come here. I say come.
Ира, принеси еще пою.
These are the good artifacts they have kept here for the view of making good ambience for the people to enjoy their breakfast, lunch, dinner over here. We have taken the hotel with breakfast, so that is why we have got the entry, and we are here to show you. All the decorations and the crockery are complete. We start with our crockeries here, so you can see all the spoons, forks, and knives. The plates are ready. Now I will not talk much. Our cameraman will show us the contents, what they are going to serve here. So I think everybody can identify the things. These are the eggs, boiled eggs. Okay, come. Here you can find flavored and unflavored yogurt, milk, as well as cream, whatever you like. These glasses are kept ready for you to take the juices. The juice vending machine is there. You can take the juice as you like. Here is another serving table. You can find many things. All are the delicious food. We have tested it, and these are the creams and sauces, local sauces they made. And also we get to eat some fruits. Apples, grapefruit, orange, and sometimes bananas. Everything is here. On this table, we can see the bakery items. Enjoy. We have taken each and every item in these days, and we have enjoyed the things. is the counter, and then there you can see the flags. Okay.
Una torta con tanti cazzetti sopra.
Now we will show you the counter where we can get various types of coffees and hot water for making the tea. Whichever flavor tea you want, you can have this tea. Now we will take a round to show some visitors. Basically here all they are the local people, and they must have come here for some work, administrative work in Moscow. More local, I mean to say, from Russia itself. And there are many, we can see many Indians also having their breakfast. If you find one of them or a few of them, we will come to you. We will go to there. One gentleman looks like an Indian. So let us go and see and meet him and talk to him. Today is a bright sunny day. People are basking in the sun. Oh, good morning, sir. Are you Indian?
No, I'm from the moon.
You are from the moon.
Yeah.
Which moon you have come from, sir? Yeah. Which moon you have come from? We are making one small video for India, you know.
Yeah.
We want to see. We thought you are an Indian.
But I'm from India, but I'm from the moon from India.
You are from the moon from India. Which place in moon from India, sir?
Pune, Lavasa.
Pune, Lavasa.
It olives.
Now, what is your good name, sir?
I don't know, I lost my name.
Oh, don't say that, sir. How can we identify somebody? The
Mr. Leo.
Leo?
Mr. Leo, the Lion King.
The Lion
I'm
King.
from Africa. Akino Matata.
Great. You are a multifaceted personality.
What to do?
So, can you please tell us your name so that people can know?
Mr. Leo Akino Matata from East Africa, Uganda. Welcome to Uganda, East Africa.
But-
Jambo Abariako, Missouri.
But the hands are not showing your name is Leo. So please tell us your.
Except this is Leo, the Lion King. Good. Be happy.
Okay, thank you. So, how you are enjoying the breakfast being served here?
It's good, healthy.
Healthy, huh?
Healthy and simple. Yeah.
And you are taking the seat near the window
Yeah,
so
I
that
like
you are
the
getting the
sun.
sun.
Yeah, I like the
You are
sun.
basking in the
And I
sun.
like to be in the corner, you know.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. You are taking you are enjoying from the corner itself.
Definitely. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Penalty corner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Thank you.
He is one of our Russian gentlemen having his breakfast. So we found one Indian. He is not revealing his name. So let us see if we can see and find some more Indians. So there are ample of counters so that the huge crowd can be managed very easily and people can take their food and things. Good morning, gentlemen. We are from India, Bombay.
Yeah.
So we thought you are also Indian. You have put a tickly, yes. So which place you are coming from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Oh, which place in Mumbai? Charni Road. But while entering, I heard you are talking Gujarati. તમે ગુજરાતી છો?
મને આવડે છે.
તમારે આવડે છે. તમારે નથી આવડતું. Marathi આવે છે.
I can understand.
But you know Marathi?
Yeah, I can speak Marathi.
तुम्ही मराठी आहात. तर तुमचं नाव काय आहे भाऊ?
माझं नाव अतुल.
अतुल. अतुल from where?
मुंबई.
Mumbai.
आमची मुंबई.
आमचे मुंबई. But basically from where? Which place you people are?
गिरगाव.
गिरगाव, હા. અચ્છા. You are born and brought up in
Mumbai.
Mumbai only. તમારે ગુજરાતી આવડે છે. તમારું નામ શું છે?
મારું નામ સુશીલા.
सुशीलाबेन છે.
સુશીલાબેન.
सुशीलाबेन और सुशील भाई तो दोनों जो है ना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं एंड कैसा
भाई।
लगा आपको नाश्ता?
अतुल भाई.
अतुल भाई सॉरी अतुल भाई नाश्ता कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
It is very good.
It is very good. So we are just making one video so that it can
Healthy breakfast.
yes very healthy breakfast. That's it, right. So we can put in Facebook and people can see.
Okay.
Since
What's
we
your
have
name,
come
sir?
on, huh? My name Ubaid.
Ubaid.
Ubaid, U-B-E-D. Ubaid Sheikh.
Ubaid Sheikh.
And he is Vijay.
Vijay. So
Vijay
you make
Prabhu.
vlog?
આખું आपको तो हिंदी
We are
आती
making
होगी ना?
vlog. हाँ,
आपको हिंदी आती होगी ना?
हिंदी बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश बोलते हैं,
आप-
थोड़ी
आप कहाँ से
बहुत
हैं?
गुजराती बोलते हैं. बेसिकली मैं आंध्रा से हूँ,
Okay.
लेकिन सेटल्ड इन वसई.
Where?
वसई फॉर 45 years.
Vasai. Okay.
वसई. तो आई नो हिंदी, मराठी,
Which is
गुजराती.
near to Mumbai, na?
It's near to
Ah,
Mumbai.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But
So you also came here for.
Vira train. But for 14 days we are here,
Okay.
and we will leave.
Okay. So you are going to St. Peter?
No, we have already gone and we have come. 2 days we completed. Very wonderful place.
Okay.
Very good place. Yeah, you are going for the first time?
Yeah, first time.
So have you booked your place where you want to stay?
No, we are not going to St. Peter now. We are
Finished.
only for Moscow.
Only Moscow. It is good place. You can go very cheap also.
Yeah, we'll
How
figure
many
it
days
out.
you are there? Yes.
We are maybe not like tomorrow. Today only we are leaving.
Today you are leaving back
Yeah.
to India?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Nice to see you, Mr. Atul.
Thank you.
Okay, how jo? चलिए चलिए. अरे भाई, यहाँ पर भी कोई अपने यहाँ पर भी हमारे कोई इंडियन भाई लोग एकदम बहुत इजीली बात करते
कोई चीज़ें
हैं.
ऐसी हैं हम अगर मैं इससे कुछ नहीं करूँ तो ये मुझे कुछ चीज़ें
Can we take few minutes from you?
Yes, yes.
So good morning, gentlemen. We are from India, Bombay only. I'm just making a small video for the reference for the people. This will post in Facebook also.
Okay.
So that people can get encouraged and they can feel they are comfortable. Means our Indians also coming here.
Okay.
So that is why. So भाई जरा इनका सबका वीडियो लीजिए. नाम बताइए आप लोग कैसा है, कहाँ से?
My name is Ashish. I am from Delhi.
My name is Deepak and I am from Delhi.
My name is Manoj Arora. I am also from Delhi.
Oh,
My name is Narendra. I am from Gurgaon.
Gurgaon. So all are near to Delhi and Delhi and near to Delhi. So very good. How do you find this place, Cosmos and the restaurant? Yeah. This restaurant.
Long story. It's a very long story.
Okay, but in short, we will concentrate on the breakfast. How do you feel here?
Overall, the hotel is fine, but as per the present requirement, present scenario, it is not up to the mark.
Okay.
We are not able to find charging points in the room.
No, but we have to get our adapters, you know.
No, but this is chargeable.
Yeah?
This is chargeable. But USB charging point should be available, no?
We can buy from the local market. Adapters are coming very cheap.
No. Actually, do we need to get those adapters if we go to some other hotels?
See, basically, there is a problem, you know, the standard, what standard we are using in our country, it cannot be the same everywhere.
We just came back from St. Petersburg,
Yeah.
Parkin. We stayed at Parkin. Everything was available. There was no need to buy any adapters.
Okay. We also went to St. Petersburg day before yesterday, and we came back and we were carrying our own adapters.
No, I too yesterday purchased.
Yeah.
But that should not be the case.
Yeah.
They are charging like anything from us.
Yeah.
We are coming with so much effort.
How much they took in 50? Yeah? How much they took for the adapter?
200.
200. Yeah. Outside it is 100 or something like this. Very cheap. Anyhow, some bad
It
experience
is
will
not the
come.
point of
Not a cheap one.
Yeah.
Actually, when anybody comes from
Water
any
boiler
country,
is not.
so they think about that facility also available in the hotels.
Yeah.
Otherwise, all people will carry a lot of things in the bag. So
Yeah,
it's
it is
very-
difficult.
If
Very
some
difficult.
other hotel is charging the same amount of money which
Yeah.
they are charging and they are providing the better facility, obviously one will go
Yes,
over
yes.
there.
But I feel St. Petersburg is a very good happening place, very nice place.
Better than this.
Yeah, better than Moscow, what we can say.
Better than this.
Anyhow, these are the experiences, and let us move ahead. Thank you so much for your time.
What is your Facebook name?
My Ubaid Sheikh,
Ubaid Singh.
UBED.
Shake.
Ubaid Sheikh.
UB.
UBED. Ubaid Sheikh.
Thank you, nice to meet you.
And one more Indian we can find over here. Yes, gentlemen. What's your good name? I think you are an Indian. Are you sure? Are you Indian?
Yes, I am Indian and I am working with you.
So I was just pretending. He is one of my colleagues. We have come here together and we are enjoying the breakfast.
Yeah.
How do you feel the breakfast over
It
here?
is good. It is good.
What did you like the best here? What
The best is corn.
corn? Only corn.
Yeah, only the corn.
And I think you are having some juices
Yes.
also. Very good. And you are talking to your people in your
Mother.
mother. Okay, carry on with your talk. And this is it. And let us see. Here this is the end point. And while going, we have to say goodbye and we have to go out. There are some artifacts kept here. These also can be captured. And we can close our small video for today. Okay. See you then. This is Ubaid Sheikh from Moscow Hotel Cosmos restaurant. Bye for today. And we'll come back to you with another exciting video. Thank you so much. Have a good time.